Hello, model railroad fans. You're going to see the oil train running in this video, and what I'm trying to do is capture the timing as it moves through the layout at different key points. And I did the the coal train number 1, and I've got his timing because down near the coal loader, the coal train and the oil train are going to have to share the tracks and the turnouts. So I need to know how to get them to dance together, and I'll have to put a check in either the coal train or the oil train to just hold at a certain time so the other train can go through its motions. So that's one of the things I'm trying to accomplish with this video. The oil train is backing up because when I'm completely done, there'll be 2 more cars on the end of this, those black Norfolk Southern oil cars I have. So they're going to back up, and when I'm fully automated, I'll disconnect them right here by this little oil station type thing, because I can't get 5 cars in around the oil platform. So I would disconnect the other 2, the black ones right here, and then after it finishes part 1, which is delivering the Shell tank cars to the oil platform, part 2 of the oil train will come back and get the 2 black Norfolk Southerns and bring them in and deposit them by the oil platform. So that's why it's backing up like it is. Yeah, geez, it's always something. The switch motor wire was sticking up too far. I guess I had that happen before, so I should have checked this one closer. Anyway, I didn't crash into either one of my track bumpers, and no couplers were broken on this. Thanks for watching.